Hey guys, here I am showing you to how to make a container like this. This contains all my daily bedside essentials like the nail polish, lipsticks, my mirror, Q-tips, cotton and every other thing. This is totally a recycle project. So here I am using few magazine papers. You all must have magazines lying around in your house somewhere. So at least the girls I can vouch for. And another shoe box like this is a huge men's shoe box, so there is a lot of space inside. I will be pasting the whole magazine cutouts inside of it. Here I am taking a Nutri Nugget box which was just lying around, and I have cut the box into half. I am pasting the paper inside in every corner and sides of the box just to make it look neat and the finished look after the project is ready. So here you see I have taken the cutouts for the sides and lining of it, and I will be pasting the same into it. Here I have taken a Fevicol and mixed it with water. It's like 2 parts Fevicol and 1 part water. So I am using that concussion as adhesive and pasting the paper with the help of paintbrush. I am laying all the Fevicol adhesive on the cardboard and laying the paper on top of it. Here you can see I am taking the cutout as it is used and as it is required, and not the whole because it looks neat and very precise. I will be covering the whole box in the paper sheet, and I am taking anything as adhesive which is widely available in India, the Fevicol or Fevistick. And now here is the whole box covered in the paper. Once this is finished, then we will be moving forward by pasting, by making the lining or the partition from within the box. As you can see, there is a lot of space and I want everything to be segregated as I've shown previously. So I'm taking a Nutri Nugget box. I have cut the box in half like so, and then I will be sandwiching the whole cardboard. Again, the whole point of this project is to make it neat. I am making the partition like so, long partition in between and then little partitions for the sides. I'm sandwiching the whole into a magazine paper and then making a flap like thingy and sticking it on the bottom. And then I will be making few other partitions also to make it stick. I've covered the Nutri Nugget box in magazine. Rest assured, here you see the final thing, and I am covering the head of it, and everything is covered in paper and put and secured in places. And now I have arranged my stuff in the box after the product was ready. So here you can see all my things at one place: my mirror, my lens solution, my lenses, my earrings, all at one place. Here are my lipsticks, my nail paints. Right beside of it is my clutches on rubber bands. And then I have taken a liberty to make little containers like this so that they hold my safety pins and bobby pins at one place and not mixed up with each other. In case you wish to see that how did I make those, then do comment. I will be happy to show you. Here I have hanged my ear loops on the sides. Then there is a mirror, a small mirror which I keep. Then there is a thread and needle box. Again, this box also, if you want a lid, want a box with a lid, then tell me. I'll be happy to show you a box to hold my cotton and Q-tip. And yeah, this is the final product. Hope you like it, and give it thumbs up if you like what you see. Thanks.